In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up domain in Sendgrid. If you are sending emails from your own domain, setting up domain authentication is an important step. It helps your emails arrive in inboxes and supports trust with email providers. In this walkthrough, you will use Sendgrid's built-in steps to connect your domain through your DNS provider and then verify it in Sendgrid. First, click Settings. This is usually located in the main navigation of your Sendgrid dashboard. Taking this step brings you to the area where Sendgrid controls how your sending account is configured, including security and authentication features. Next, click Sender Authentication. You will see options related to verifying that emails are truly coming from your domain. This section is the starting point for adding the authentication records you will create in your DNS settings. After that, under Authenticate Your Domain, click Get Started. This button begins the guided setup. It is there to make the process simpler, so you do not have to figure out the record names yourself. Once you select Get Started, Sendgrid will guide you through the information it needs to continue. Now you will select your DNS host. This is the provider that manages your domain's DNS records, such as your domain registrar or DNS management service. In this step, choose the option that matches where you update DNS. If you pick the correct DNS host, Sendgrid can tailor the instructions to the interface you are using. Then enter your domain. Make sure you enter the domain name exactly as you intend to use it for sending, such as your company domain. Take a moment here to check for typos, because an incorrect domain would cause verification to fail later. After entering the domain, click Next. This moves you forward to the point where Sendgrid generates the DNS records you need to add. At this stage, Sendgrid prepares the specific values you will copy into your DNS provider. Next, add the DNS records to your domain provider. You should switch to your DNS management page for your domain and look for the place where you manage records, such as TXT or CNAME entries. The goal is to create the records exactly as Sendgrid displays them. Pay careful attention to the host or name field and the value field, since small formatting differences can prevent verification. Once you have added the records, give it a moment and then return to Sendgrid. This is the same tab or window where you were viewing the authentication screen, and you will be ready to finish the setup. Returning to Sendgrid ensures you are positioned to verify that your DNS changes are being detected. Finally, click Verify. Sendgrid will check whether the DNS records are now live and correct for your domain. If verification does not succeed immediately, that usually means DNS propagation is still in progress, so you can try again after some time. The important part is that you do not change the records in Sendgrid during the verification step. You confirm what you already added in your DNS provider, and that covers everything you need to know. Once verification is complete, your domain is authenticated in Sendgrid, and you can proceed with sending emails with more confidence. And that is all there is to it.